Hey guys, this is Pharynx. Please click the red button to subscribe our channel. Now, I am going to unbox universal Bluetooth speaker. It costs around $6. It's very tiny and it's comfortable. It's a portable device. You can take it anywhere, any place. And it has operated with Bluetooth version 4.1 and its transmission distance is 10 meters. There are various colors in this device. Charging cables, and also you can connect it with your mobile or laptop, anything. It's a 2-in-1 cable. It's a user manual and the device. It's made in China. It has 4 buttons, one volume up and one volume down and one stop button and one power button, and 3 holes. One is USB port and another one memory card slot and then another one charging port. Just long press the power button to on the device. And take your mobile and switch on Bluetooth and connect with it. Hold on a second and pair. Then you can play music whatever you want. It's the first time to connect, so it takes a little bit more time. When it was paired with your device, after that it will automatically connect when you switch on your Bluetooth. Yeah, actually its sound is very good and it plays well. It works very well, and you can connect the device with your mobile directly with the use of cables, and you can also connect the device with your laptop, and its distortion ratio 1% or less, and its input power supply DC 5 volts and its working voltage is 3.5 volts and its frequency ratio 200 Hz and its signal to noise ratio 60 decibels. You can also use up to 60 to 120 minutes with the charging time 120 minutes. Thanks for watching the video.